Hello everyone and welcome back to my show. Today we're gonna talk about the Windows key as I promised to you. So this would be part 3. So let's start with the Windows logo key. If you just press the Windows logo on your keyboard, it will open the start menu for you, and then if you just press it again, it will close it. The second one would be the Windows key again and press A, which is open the Action Center for you. Okay, in the Action Center you can activate your Bluetooth, you can put your PC or laptop on the flight mode and choose the network, available network. Okay, the next one is hold the Windows key and press B. So it will takes you to the control center, but in the taskbar. Actually we can say is focus on the notifications area, which is this area called notification area. Okay, and the next one I'm gonna show you, which is hold Windows key and press E, which is open the Explorer for you, File Explorer. Okay, so Windows E, Windows key and E, like that. And if you have any problem with your computer and the Windows Assistant asking you to send a screenshot, you're holding the Windows key button and you press F. As you can see, it will open the feedback hub, and then you can summarize your feedback and explain more details, and automatically you can just attach it to your photo here and send them to them with the error message on your desktop. This is really good features, and but you need to be sure you signed in already on your Windows. Okay. And the next one is Windows key and G, which is for the gamers. So you can broadcast, you can record your screen when you're gaming. This one has been designed for the Xbox. Actually, unfortunately, the PlayStation 5 cannot be run on this screen recording. And the next one I'm gonna show you, which is combination of the Windows key, Alt and B, which is again, this is for gaming things. And let me just do it again. As you can see, you can go to the settings and capture. You have your enable or disable microphone. So you have the very good features for the gaming. You can capture, you can talk, so like that. Okay, and Windows key H. It will, you can see it on my screen. This is for speech service, so I don't want it to contribute. And the H is like that. So what you need to do, you need to go to the start and just click on the address bar here, and then hold the Windows key and press H. And now the system listening to us. And now we're gonna ask find Tech Pro 247. Okay. And what else we can go through? We have the Windows logo key and I, which is open the settings, as you can see here. Okay. We have Windows key and K, which is it's like a quick connect. So if you have a 2 or 3 display, you can have them here and choose them from this menu here. I've already got one display. And the next one is Windows key and P, which is here, is for project. You can duplicate your sharing screen or extend it, or to just send your project to the second screen. And yeah, there is one which is holding the Windows key Control and Q, which is a quick assist, so you can just enter a code from the Microsoft and then they can remotely connect to your PC. And Windows key R, we already talked about that. Actually, this msconfig I just saw, this is really good comment. Yeah, so I have to record a video for this. Let me just go through it briefly. Here, I'm not gonna talk about these ones. I'm gonna just talk about the startup. So on the startup, this take time. So let me just talk about this one later. Okay, and what we got the Windows key and S, which is bring the search. And what else? Windows key Shift S. You see, I can just do it like I'm gonna just take this bit screenshot. Okay, there you go. Yeah. And what else? Windows key T goes to my taskbar, and I can change between my icons in the taskbar like that. And we have Windows key and U, which is open accessibility. We can change the text size, visual effects, mouse pointer and touch. I can change my mouse color here. Green is good. Okay. And Windows key and X. This is really good shortcut for those ones who's doing the admin jobs or who's doing like the IT jobs. It will give you the list of the useful application in Windows 10 or 11. So you have apps and features, you have power options, you have event viewer, system, device manager, and blah blah blah. Okay, so this is a really good one. It was the Windows key and X like that. Okay, and what else? We have Windows key and dot, which is bringing to the clipboard. So I don't think so most of you have seen this one before. So if you've seen someone's in their line, they're using the emojis. So how they using it? They use Windows key and then they press dot. Okay. And also we have Windows key Control F. With this you can let me just do it again. You can connect to the another computer, but you need to be on the same Active Directory domain service. Obviously I've only got one computer here and I don't have the two computers, otherwise I could connect to the second computer from here. And another things I'm gonna show you is for example, if you have 2, 3 active, let me just active one more things here. Okay, so for example, I have a 3 active app here. Okay, so if I gonna go through them from left to right, I hold the Windows key, I press 1. You open the first one. Okay, here. If I press 2, it will open the browser. You see? If I press 3, it is 3. It's the third one. So to do that, you need to hold Windows key and press on the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me just do this one. If I want to have similar app, for example, I have the File Explorer here. Okay, and I'm gonna open the new one. Okay, I don't need to go here and click on the new file explorer to explorer. So what I do, I hold Windows key and shift and I press 1. So you open the new file explorer. So my second app was a browser. If I hold Windows key and press shift and number 2, it will open the new browser. Okay, like that. So, and what else? Right, so the next one is Windows key and tab. It shows you all the active tabs and even the desktop. Okay. And there is a good one. If you hold Windows key and press the up arrow key, look what it does. It maximizes it, minimize it. And if you press down button here, it just minimize it completely. Okay, and if I want to have the two screen, split my screen to the right and left, I hold the Windows key and I press the arrow key to the left. It does like that, and automatically when I just release the Windows key, it asks me to choose which software I'm gonna put on the right hand side. Okay, like that. I can have two nice and a split window here. Okay, so let's just close this. Right, so the next one is if I press Windows key and shift and press up. Let me just open one of these. Okay, Windows key shift up. It just expand my files. Expand my Explorer to the top. And let me just do it like that. You'll see that. Okay, I got this one here. I'm gonna expand it. Hold Windows key, shift and up. Just like this. And hold Windows key, shift and down, reverse it. And what else? If you're using two language for your keyboards, you can change them with the Windows logo, Control and space. And then you can toggle between these two. Okay, and the good one. If you hold the Windows logo key and press plus, you open the magnifier. And you can zoom like that to your screen. And what else? I think I showed you most of them, and actually the most of the useful ones. I can't remember anything else. Okay, I think we done the most of them, and actually we done the most of the useful functions, and we're good. Thanks for watching me. I think this is the last part of the Windows shortcuts for the beginners. The rest of the Windows shortcuts will be in advanced, so I'm gonna just prepare myself for a good video for advanced. And again, thanks for watching me, and do not forget to ask your questions, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.